What's up everyone? Hope you're having a great day. This is EightyTu, and in this episode I will be building this Ikea lamp. Because of the shape, material, and the lack of instructions, this lamp is a bit difficult to build, but it shouldn't be too bad. I got some tips and tricks that might help. So let's get right into it. So the only tools you need in this project is a Phillips screwdriver. Let's check out what's inside the box. By the way, this lamp is called the Sjopenna Lamp. Inside the box you'll find 8 panels, 4 with holes on the bottom and 4 without. 4 wooden stands, the base for the lamp, 4 spacers. This is used to hold the legs to the base. 4 screws, the cord. Cord length is 6.5 feet long. It's nicely wrapped. The switch is also on the cord. This is a E12 socket. 26 elastic bands. This is what holds the panels together. You only need 24 bands. Let's get started on the base. I suggest working on one leg at a time. This part of the project is pretty easy. Take one leg, spacer, hold the leg and spacer together. Hand tighten the screw and move on to the next set of legs. Once you get all the legs hand tightened, finish up with the screwdriver. Remember not to over tighten. Now that you got the base completed, next up, let's get the electrical cord connected to the base. Unscrew the spacer from the socket and attach the cord to the base. Secure it with the spacer that you just removed earlier. Next up is the panels. This is the hardest part of the project. Remember, you have 4 panels with holes and 4 without. What I would do is stack the panels, one stack with all the panels with holes and the other one without. This is how they fit together. We're going to use these elastic bands to hold the panels together. Pro tip: fold the panels before you put them together. This is going to make everything so much easier. It's also going to make the shape of the lamp stand out. To find out which way to fold the panels, run your nail through the panels. If your nail catches the line, the panel should be on the outside of the lamp and should be folded inward. The tabs on the side should be folded outward for the elastic bands. Start putting the panels together and use the bands to hold them in place. I would start with the middle tab. Once you get 2 panels together, the rest should be easy. If your panel has a hole in it, the next one shouldn't. Once you get all 8 panels in place, grab the base. Gently place the base inside. Line up the tabs to the holes and pop them in place. The panel is made out of thin plastic, so support the panel on the outside while pushing the tabs in. The last step is installing the light bulb. This is a E12 socket light bulb. Ikea sells 2 versions of this lamp, one with the light bulb included in the package and one without. Be sure to check the front of the box. Here's what the lamp looks like when it's done. And that's it. That wasn't too bad, right? The hardest part was folding the pieces and matching them up. I really like this lamp. I love the origami shape, and it seems pretty durable as well. You can find this lamp at Ikea. I'll provide a link in the description. I hope my video helped. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.